Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding the base paint type because it affects drying and blending. Choose water-based for quick work or oil-based for longer open time. Once decided, measure precise small amounts. Use a 1/2 Oz dispenser or scale to prevent waste. You then mix primary colors with white and a touch of black to achieve target value. Work in small increments and test on a sample card so you understand how pigments affect hue and opacity. You now refine the color. To shift hue, add very small amounts of an adjacent pigment and swipe it onto a swatch to view dry change. Then control value by adding measured white or black in small 1/8 increments so you don't overshoot. Remember, blacks can dull saturation quickly. Once done, adjust saturation by mixing a complementary color sparingly or by using a glazing medium to deepen without changing value. Make incremental changes, and you scale up by multiplying the small test recipe, keeping precise notes so future batches match. Mix thoroughly to maintain consistency. For application, test adhesion on substrate, apply thin even coats, and allow full cure between layers to avoid uneven gloss or color shift. If things go wrong, hue changes after drying, don't panic. Sand lightly, wipe clean, then apply a corrective glaze or repaint using a slightly adjusted mix. This preserves finish and corrects minor mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.